Everyone, first of all, I say thank you to Almighty God because He blessed us until now. And I say thank you to my lecturer, Sir Rudiarman Purba, because he gave me chance to present our seminar on research proposal about the effect of using hidden city game on vocabulary mastering. And before I start my presentations, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ita Christine Sinaga, and the first is chapter 1, introductions. The research background. Vocabulary is an important part of learning English. When students communicate in English, they must be proficient in grammar as well as vocabulary. And vocabulary is very important as the main capital to learn sentence structure and other appropriate skills in the language. Mastering vocabulary helps us to read, write, listen, and speak English. In addition, the objective of learning English subject as that in the curriculum requires students to be able to communicate effectively to achieve that goal. Student must speak, listen, read, and write. As a result, students need to acquire a lot of vocabulary because vocabulary is generally considered one of components of language which helps students to develop their competence in communications in language skills. And the next is students should learn vocabulary as they learn grammar and pronunciation. Even more so, vocabulary has an important role to convey student ideas, intention, and expressions. Use English in communication. Students need to know a very large number of words. According to the researcher, experience doing internship program, the students usually forgets terminology, its meaning, and how to employ it in sentence. It is because there are variants in pronunciation, spelling, meaning, and word usage between English and bahasa. Students will have difficulties to make communications in English if they lack vocabulary. One of the main factors that cause students to lack vocabulary is because students only remember a few words. According to Penny UR, there are various reasons why students remember some words better than others. The nature of the word themselves, under what circumstances they are learned, the method of teaching, and so on. Besides, the problems faced by the students are caused by some factors. The many come from the students, teacher, technique, or media used in the teaching and learning process. Based on research observations in class 8 at SMP Negeri 12 Pematang Siantar, there are several problems faced by students, including: for start, students are unmotivated to learn English because the classroom environment is passive. It is created by the teacher teaching technique, which a teacher can treat and does not provide opportunity for students to practice in class. As a result, students find it difficult to express themselves directly in English, which is a widespread problem among students in English class. And the second because teachers often use their first language in the bracket Indonesians at school. In the teaching and learning process, students have difficulty remembering words. Moreover, students are never given assessment at every meeting, so they are not allowed to improve and practice their English. And the third is students do not pay attention to the teaching and learning process because there are not interesting techniques and media used in teaching or learning process. As a result, students are lazy to listen to what the teacher explained in front of the class and making the passive in class. And the next is 1.2 research problem. The problem of this research is what are the effect of using hidden city games on student vocabulary mastery of grade 8 student at SMP Negeri 12 Pematang Siantar. And 1.3 is the research objective to find out the effect of using hidden city games on student vocabulary mastery grade 8 student at SMP Negeri 12 Pematang Siantar. 1.4 Significance of research. This research is expected to have both theoretically and practically significance as follows. The first is theoretical significance and the next is practical significance. The next is 1.5 research hypothesis. The hypothesis of this research is proposed in terms of the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Chapter 2 Review of related literature. 2.1 Vocabulary. Vocabulary is the basic language aspect that must be mastered before mastering English skills. There are some definition of vocabulary by some experts. According Hornby, in the bracket, vocabulary is all the words that a person knows or use, and it is all the words in particular language. The next is 2.1.1 the importance of vocabulary. Vocabulary is the first basic important aspect for learning English by students. By mastering vocabulary, they are able to communicate both orally and in writing. Also, by having a large vocabulary, students are expected to master 4 English skills such as reading, speaking, writing, and listening. According to Reeves as quote in Noonan, vocabulary is important for the successful use of second language because without the effectiveness of using hidden city game with vocabulary, the learner will not be able to use the structure and function that we may have studied comprehensively communications. The statement implies the vocabulary is the fundamental building block of English for young students to support their knowledge of English. It must be properly learned. 2.1.2 The aspect of vocabulary. There are some aspects in learning vocabulary according to Lado as cited in Mardiniawati. There are some vocabulary aspects as follows. The first is meaning. When the educator conveying the understood around the meaning, the teacher ought to clarify that a word may have more than one meaning. When it is used in numerous setting, in a range to find the meaning, the instructor can utilize why such as good revelation and using this dictionary. And the next is spelling. In learning vocabulary, spelling is critical science. It helps in reading and as the connector of letters and sounds. Spelling there are maybe diverse satisfactory composed shapes for the same words inside the same assortment of English. Due to the reality that they have a place to different varieties as happens with numerous British or American English. The next is pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way in which a particular person pronounces the word of language. Most of words have only an elocutions, but now and then a word has 2 or more pronunciations. It can be some from a few words are present. The next is word classes. Word classes are categories of words according to Hutch and Brown. The word classification is based on their functional categories which are called part of speech. There are part of speech should be practiced fluently to the students such as noun, verb, adjectives, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. The last is word use. Word use is how a word, phrase, or concept is used in language. Word use may also involve grammar and thus be the subject of profound analysis. 2.1.3 The learning vocabulary. Teachers are always naturally interested in how students learning about vocabulary. If we know more about learning strategies and what work well, we can help students gain more benefit strategies. According to Brown and Payne in Hertz and Brown, did an analysis the result in a very clear model where the strategies fell into 5 essential steps. The first is encountering new words. His primary basic step for lexicon learning is encountering new words that are having a sort of four words. The youthful learners strategy had included learning modern word by perusing books, listening to television and daily papers or magazines. Dictionary are moreover source where modern words and use employments for all words can be experienced. Another since the encountering use word can more compelling in other with interactive video materials when understudy have scenes and question or an activity. The second is getting the word form. His significance for getting clear picture of the form of a word becomes show up when understudy increase to allow definition for words. The next is getting the word meaning. Getting the word meaning, language learning may also need different kind of definition of this distinction depending on the word being learned and the reason for need them. The next is consolidating word form and meaning in memory. In this step, the student do the exercise in order to make strong memory connection between the form and the meaning of the words. The next is using the word. The final step in learning word is using the word. It has goal to provide a mild guarantee the words and meanings will not fade from memory once they are learned. The next is 2.1.4, the word classifications. According to Hertz and Brown, the classification of word based on its functional category, which is called part of speech. There are part of speech such as noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. In this research, it will be focused on nouns, verb, and adjective, and it used as category in hidden city game. The first is noun. According to Likons, as cited in Hertz and Brown, are all parts of speech having a semantic core that is language independent. The next is verbs. Verbs are what the donate actions. Vendors are cited in Hertz and Brown place verb into 4 classes: activities, accomplishments, achievements, and states. The next is adjectives. Adjectives are used to highlight qualities or attributes certain. Adjectives are typically used to describe particular nouns, for example, like dark, bright, and dull are used with color names. And the next 2.2, learning media. State the learning is a complex process that happens to all people and their life. This process happens because there is an interaction between people with the environment. This means learning is also part of communication in human life. The process of learning is a process among learner, teacher, and the materials. Then the communication process will not happen if there is not media. 2.2.1 Type learning media. According to Smaldino et al. In general learning, media is divided into 6 types. The first is text. This type of text media is used to convey learning material. The next is audio. The type is including anything that can be heard, for example, human voice conversation. And the next is visual. Visual type learning media are such as diagram in a poster, image, posts, and walls. And then motion. Motion is learning media in the form of motion such as video, tape, film, and animations. And real object and model are learning media in the form of 3 dimensions that can be touched, And next is people. The last type of media is humans, namely teachers, student, or expert in their field. Student can learn through teacher, fellow students, or to an expert in the fields. 2.2.2 Hidden City Game. Hidden City Game is a hidden object and puzzle game developed and produced by entertainment. Players search for hidden objects, explore dozens of words, solve challenge puzzles, and unravel the mystery of the hidden city. 2.3 Using game as a learning media. Based on the explanations above, the researcher will conduct research and apply the hidden city game to students. Researcher will teach them directly by using games. Researcher believe it will be beneficial for students in learning English vocabulary by using games. According to Homan, Insari Dori explained that hidden object media is media that have an object scan system. This technique requires students to find the object hidden in picture and then do an action to it. This action means to involve to cognitive participations of students as well as physical participation by responding or taking action to the media. 2.5 Relevant research. In doing this research, the writer read some relate researcher in different journal. In this study, the researcher read the journal that relate about games and vocabulary of the students. Grass conducted a research entitled Game as a Tool for Teaching English Vocabulary to Young Learners. The purpose of the research is to analyze the issue of vocabulary teaching with the use of game and plays. The main aim is to examine the effectiveness of the use of game in vocabulary teaching. In fact, the result of the study obtained showed that the children that have various views on how entertaining the games were. And the next is chapter 3, research methodology. 3.1 research design. The research is a quantitative research. Quantitative research method deals with analyzing and measuring variables to get results. Furthermore, Williams states that quantitative research uses strategic investigations such as experiments and survey and collect data about an instrument that produce statistical data. This study uses a quasi-experimental design consisting of pre-test, treatment, and post-test to find out the effect of using hidden city game on vocabulary mastering of grade X student at SMP Negeri 12 Pematang Siantar. The framework used in the research is quantitative research based on Cohen. Quantitative data analysis is a powerful form of research. The mandate partly form a positive tradition. This research is comparative research with the aim of knowing the difference between the two methods, what both have difference or not. In this study, the control group and the experimental group were taught by applying different techniques but with the same topic or material. 3.2 Population and sample of research. 3.2.1 Population. Every research needs a subject to be studied. The study is also inseparable from the existence of populations to success the study. The study populations is a group of peoples or individuals investigate about the aspect of the group. The population in this study is the grade 8 of SMP Negeri 12 Pematang Siantar. And the next is 3.2.2 Sample. In this research, the writer takes 2 classes to be sampled. This research used cluster random sampling which was made by the writer. The writer write the class of the sample in a small paper, roll it up, and then shake it at a cup. Then the writer takes 2 samples from the paper. The first class is experimental group and the second class is control group. The sample of this study is the students of 8 until 3 class as the experimental group, and the student of 8 until 4 as the control group, which consists of 32 students in 8 until 3 class and 31 students in 8 until 4 class. 3.3 Instrument of collecting data. In this study, the author will use tests to collect data. That tests will be used as pre-test and post-test with a written test. In the written test, students will be asked to create or write a descriptive text. The whole text is expected to consist of appropriate content, organizations, or use of language and mechanics. With the whole test process will be assessed by applying analytical assessment to determine students' reading ability. 3.4 Technique of collecting the data. 3.4.1 Pretest. The pretest was administered before the treatment. The same pretest was given to both experimental and control group in order to investigate the student vocabulary achievement. Both experimental and control group were asked to answer the questions related to the vocabulary test.